Hello there students, good day. Welcome to Surgeon TV. If you are new to this channel, please like this video and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification button for our upcoming videos. So without further ado, let's get started. Our lesson for today is all about arithmetic sequence. So here are our objectives. Number one, describe an arithmetic sequence. Number two, identify an arithmetic sequence. And number three, determine the common difference of an arithmetic sequence. Before we start, let's have an activity. Determine the missing term of each sequence below. Number one, 4, 3, 2, and blank. As you observe, this is a sequence in decreasing order. 4, 3, 2. The next term will be, all right, 1. Number 2, we have 0, 2, 4, 6. And this is a sequence in increasing order. The next term will be, very good, 8. Number 3, negative 3, negative 6, negative 9. The next term will be negative 12. Let's have number 4, 21, 14, 7. This is a sequence in decreasing order. The next term after 7 will be, very good, 0. Number 5, let's have 2, 11, 20. The next term will be, very good, that is 29. So let's have the lesson proper. Ano ba ang arithmetic sequence? Ang arithmetic sequence ay list of numbers with definite pattern. The difference between consecutive terms in the sequence is constant. For example, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If we're going to get the difference between the two consecutive terms, ibig sabihin dalawang makakasunod na terms like 2 and 0, kung kukunin natin ang kanilang difference or isa-subtract natin ang 2 minus 0, so the answer is 2. Sa 4 tsaka 2, the difference is 2. Now let's have 6 and 4. The difference is 2. And the difference between 8 and 6 is also 2. As you observe, the difference of the consecutive terms is constant, which is 2. The constant difference is called the common difference. Paano natin makukuha ang common difference? We're going to select any two consecutive terms, then subtract the first term from the second. Yung 0 and 2 are consecutive terms. Pag isa-subtract natin yung first term from the second term, ibig sabihin, 2 minus 0, it will give us 2. And yung consecutive terms naman na 2 and 4, so 4 minus 2 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, and 8 minus 6 is 2. So, ibig sabihin, yung difference nila is constant. At yung common difference naman nila ay 2. Each term in an arithmetic sequence is obtained by adding the common difference to the previous term. Ibig sabihin, makukuha natin yung term kung mag-a-add tayo ng common difference sa previous term. For example, yung first term natin is 0. Since yung common difference nila is 2, so we're going to add 2 to 0. So, ibig sabihin, 0 plus 2, we have 2. And 2 plus 2 is 4. We have 4 plus 2 is 6. And 6 plus 2 is 8. This pattern, alam na natin kung ano yung mga terms after ng 8. So, it will be 8 plus 2, and that is 10. The common difference is a rational number, which can be in the form of fraction, decimal, or integer. For example, 1 half, 1, 3 halves, 2, and 5 over 2. Pag kukunin natin yung common difference nila, it will give us 1 half. At yung 1 half na common difference nila is a fraction. Let's have another one. 1, 1.25, 1.5, 1.75, and 2.0. Pag kukunin naman natin yung common difference nila, it will give us 0.25 or 0.25. So this is a decimal. And lastly, sa example na 02468, alam naman natin yung common difference nila is 2. And that is an integer. If the common difference is positive, the arithmetic sequence is increasing. For example, 02468, yung common difference nila is positive 2. Ibig sabihin that this sequence is increasing. As we observe naman, from 0 to 468, so this is an increasing. Now, on the other hand, it is said to be decreasing if the common difference is negative. For example, 0, -2, -4, -6, -8. Pag kukunin natin yung common difference nila, that is -2. So this is an example of a decreasing. Let's have example number 1. Determine if the sequence forms an arithmetic sequence. 5, 10, 15, 20. Let's have the solution. Yung step 1 is we're going to find the common difference. We're going to select any two consecutive terms, then subtract the first term from the second. This type of sequence is an increasing. So kung kunin natin yung common difference nila, it will give us positive 5. Yung common difference nila is 5. Step 2, since they have a common difference of 5, therefore the sequence 5, 10, 15, 20 is an arithmetic sequence. Number 2, determine if the sequence forms an arithmetic sequence. 16A, 0, 4. So let's have the solution. Find a common difference, select any two consecutive terms, then subtract the first term from the second. Now, if we're going to find the common difference, 8 minus 16 is negative 8. By the way, this is a sequence in decreasing in order, right? If we're going to get the difference between 0 and 8, it's negative 8. However, the difference between 4 and 0 is positive 4, meaning to say it has no common difference. Therefore, since they have no common difference, the sequence 16804 is not an arithmetic sequence. Let's have another examples. Each item contains the common difference or D and the first term A sub 1 of an arithmetic sequence. Use this in generating the first 6 term of each sequence. Ibig sabihin ay kukunin natin yung first 6 terms nila given yung common difference at yung A sub 1 o yung first term. So in number 1, D equals 2 and A sub 1 equals 12. Ibig sabihin yung common difference nila is 2. Paano natin kukunin yung first 6 terms? Step 1 is we're going to write the A sub 1 which is 12. Since yung common difference nila is positive 2, ibig sabihin this type of sequence is increasing. Ibig sabihin, we're going to add 2 sa 12, that is 14. Add naman tayo ng 2 sa 14, it will gives us 16. Add na rin tayo ng 2 sa 16, which gives us 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. So here are the first 6 terms. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and 22. Let's have number 2. Common difference or D is negative 3 and A sub 1 equals 18. As we observe, the common difference is negative. Ibig sabihin, yung type of sequence niya is decreasing. And A sub 1 is 18. So step 1, let's write 18. To get the next term, let's add negative 3. So 18 plus negative 3 or 18 minus 3 is 15. 15 plus negative 3 is 12. 12 plus negative 3 is 9. 9 plus negative 3 is 6. And 6 plus negative 3 is 3. So here are the 6 terms. 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, and 3. Number 3, the common difference is negative 5 and A sub 1 equals 16. So this is an example of a sequence in decreasing in order. So isusulat natin yung 16 as A sub 1. Now to get the next term, add negative 5. So 16 plus negative 5 is 11. 11 plus negative 5 is 6. 6 plus negative 5 is 1. And 1 plus negative 5 will give us negative 4. And negative 4 plus negative 5 is negative 9. So here are the first 6 terms. 16, 11, 6, 1, negative 4, and negative 9. Let's have number 4. The common difference is negative 8 and a sub 1 is negative 4. So this is another type of sequence in decreasing in order. Now let's write negative 4, and from negative 4 let's add negative 8, that becomes negative 12. Let's add negative 8 to negative 12, that is negative 20. Negative 20 plus negative 8 is negative 28. Negative 28 plus negative 8 is negative 36. And negative 36 plus negative 8 is negative 44. So this is the first 6 terms of the sequence: negative 4, negative 12, negative 20, negative 28, negative 36, and negative 44. For number 5, the common difference is 12 and a sub 1 is 1. Ibig sabihin, since positive yung common difference, meaning to say that this type of sequence is increasing. Let's write a sub 1, which is 1. Now let's add 12, so 1. So 1 plus 12 is 13. 13 plus 12 is 25. 25 plus 12 is 37. 37 plus 12 is 49. And 49 plus 12 is 61. So the first 6 terms are 1, 13, 25, 37, 49, and 61. Last number, if the common difference is 0.25 and a sub 1 is 1, 0.25 is a positive number, right? So meaning to say, so the sequence is in increasing order. So let's write a sub 1, which is 1. Now let's add 0.25. 1 plus 0.25 is 1.25. 1.25 plus 0.25 is 1.50. 1.50 plus 0.25 is 1.75. 1.75 plus 0.25 is 2.0. And 2.0 plus 0.25 is 2.25. So the first 6 terms are 1, 1.25, 1.50, 1.75, 2.0, and 2.25. So here are the summary of our lesson. An arithmetic sequence is a list of numbers with definite pattern. The difference between consecutive terms in this sequence is constant and called the common difference. Number 2, each term in an arithmetic sequence is obtained by adding the common difference to the previous term. Number 3, we can calculate the common difference for each of our sequences by taking any 2 consecutive numbers that are next to each other and then subtracting the first from the second. Repeat the process with another pair of numbers to make sure that the difference is the same or constant. Number 4, arithmetic sequence can be increasing or decreasing. If the common difference is positive, the arithmetic sequence is increasing. On the other hand, the arithmetic sequence is decreasing whenever the common difference is negative. Lastly, finding the difference between consecutive terms in a sequence is one way on how to find the succeeding terms of an arithmetic sequence. Thank you so much, dear students, for listening, and I hope you learned a lot on this video. Thank you so much, and God bless everyone.